Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of AI Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your DeepBrain AI's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your DeepBrain's account, firstly go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in deepbrain.io and make a search. The official page of DeepBrain AI account will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top right corner of the page and from the displayed options tap on Login. You can log into your DeepBrain's account with your Google, Microsoft account or email as well. Now enter your email address and password associated with your DeepBrain AI's account and tap on Sign In. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. This is how you can log into your DeepBrain AI's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.